lefts and rights. It's little boxes for a museum for kiddos. See me just taking off, making all kinds of little parts. Change blades here in a minute. Oops, I don't know what the heck was that. Perimeter of it. Across, over. Let's go look at it. There they are. Out of the way if you don't be careful. That's for daggone sure. Anyway, the guy I bought this from, his name is Troy. He wanted to see some more videos, and I told him the best way is YouTube, so why not? Anyway, this is my shop, man. I got an edge bander, a dowel machine, case clamp,